Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. If you aren't new, welcome back to another video. So today's video is brought to you by RoseForever New York. It is officially the holiday seasons, and what better way to celebrate the season than to give a gift that says uniqueness, handcrafted, love, and created by you for that special person in your life. Even if it's you, guys, RoseForever got you covered. They have so many variations. They got so many styles, colors, shapes, you name it, they have it. So head on over to RoseForever. Use my code SLAY25. Get $25 off your order and select the perfect gift and decor for this holiday season. Guys, go ahead and make your purchases. And it's been 1 month since I got my box, and honestly it still looks fresh, it still smells the same. Everything about these roses are real life and they just scream happiness, and I love it. Let me show you guys what my box looks like after a month. So as y'all know, or if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you, this box is the Essential Black Velvet Black. Comes at 16 pieces, and obviously it's black. And I just love everything about this box. It's been a whole month since I got it, and it looks the same, it smells the same, and everything is still intact. I just love that. Guys, go ahead and make your purchase. I will put their shop down below. It is the season of giving and receiving, so go ahead and make your purchase. Use my code SLAY25 to get $25 off your order. It is the perfect gift for the perfect season. Guys, go ahead and make your purchase. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.